Hello, I'm Tarla Dalal speaking. I'm going to make a very simple soup. It's a Chinese soup known as a vegetable and noodle soup. Very good, very warming. I've seen in Singapore, in the streets of China, people drink these soups by bowls and bowls. There's nothing but waters and lots of vegetables and lots of noodles. That's it. Let's start making the soup. See how many minutes it takes. Just a few minutes. Oil. Let it get hot. Then only you add the vegetable, whatever vegetables you have. So you take any colorful vegetable and cook them on a high flame. So remember what we added? We added cabbage, carrot, sprouts, capsicum, all those vegetables. Okay? So now, after they are cooked for a while, we to add the noodles. Add the noodles. Cook again for a while. And add hot water. So our colorful vegetables are getting ready. Now add a little bit of salt, a few drops of soy sauce. Soy sauces are many varieties in the market. Dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. So the color changes suddenly. So I'm adding little less soy sauce. Just give it one boil and our soup is ready. It's lovely, very light in taste. But you have to add accompaniments to make it tasty to your liking, like soy sauce, chilies and vinegar, chili sauce. That's for you to like it. If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.